Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create multiple and manage multiple projects on Jira. So Jira is a project management tool. As you can see here, I'm signed in. You can create a free account. It's pretty easy here. And here I have some recent projects. This is a test project that I had. I haven't created any tasks in this project. So let's create a new project. And here you have the start from a new template here, or you can get more templates here if you click on more templates. Now here some projects are for the premium plan. However, let's start with a blank project here. The name of the project, let's name it school project. Okay, and it's a blank, and as you can see here the changes are applied. Create the project, and as you can see the project is now created. Now you can add tasks here to your project, and you can have multiple views, a board view such as like Trello, a list view, calendar view, timeline, and other views. So let's go to the list view, for example, create a new project. Let's say prepare the papers necessary. Okay, this is a task, or a okay, this is a task. Okay, create. Now this is a task. You can add here other tasks as well. Now to create a new project or another project, simply click on the plus icon here. Let's select another blank project, and this time let's name it like photo shoot. Let's say you are a photographer and you have a photo shoot coming next and you want to manage it. Create project, and you can jump between the projects here, and each product you can add the views that you want. Now in the school project, if you go to the board view, now this task is added in the to do. I want to move it into, it's in progress right now, and once it's done, I'll move it in done. And you can add other lists if you want to. So let's add, for example, a stuck list. Okay, so let's say the task is stuck, and this is the list that we add.